Welcome back to the channel, guys. Kekius Maximus. We're going to quickly talk about it today. Elon Musk had some fun with it, and I guess ever since the profile picture changed back to Elon Musk's face rather than Kekius Maximus, unfortunately we have seen the price plummet quite some. However, it's not looking absolutely terrible. It's not the end of the world, so to speak. It did correct, I guess, over maybe 50%, just looking at it visually, an 82% correction from the overall all-time high down to this new bottom or layer of support that we've now written in for Kekius Maximus. So we can see over here the liquidity is 3.4 million, the market cap still a wild $178 million, and yeah, at the moment it's almost printing or producing a bit of an ascending triangle pattern here. So we could actually maybe see a breakout to the upside, but unless there's serious conviction and serious reason for this to continue growing, it's really hard to say exactly where this might go, because it could easily lose support again here, folks, at like 17 cents and even fall back down into this layer of support that was written in at 0.07. So it could just be a new impulse. Effectively, it's still printed a lower high versus its all-time high over here, which was quite short-lived really over the 48-hour window. So it's really hard to say whether this is going to be one that has long-term sort of conviction or utility fundamentals and a roadmap, or whether it's just going to sort of fizzle out and be on the back burner now, so to speak. So this is the Kekius Maximus token, of course. I don't know really exactly where it's going to go, and I think the thing is around meme coins is no one really knows. The account is suspended on the website as well, which is also not a super bullish thing, right? And they haven't made an effort to change this or show a different account in general. So that's another thing that kind of makes you think, well, is the conviction really there? Is the effort actually there right now? Is this coin actually going to go up? Now, funny enough, I did some research recently, and guys, of course, please do get into my Discord channel if you want to find these little bits of golden research that we're putting in to the channel, like this other coin. So this isn't saying that it's going to do what Kekius did, but the interesting thing is we've got Donald Trump's inauguration soon on the 20th of January, which is fantastic to see and should be fantastic for the crypto space. And there's another coin that is called Trumpius. Trumpius Maximus. So some guys out there have obviously realized, well, hang on, we can have some fun here. We've got another big event happening. Let's maybe make a coin called Trumpius Maximus, and let's hope that maybe Donald Trump will change his profile picture, which, by the way, he most likely will never do that. Just saying, this is like the sort of picture that they like to paint in the heads of the investors. So we can see this Trumpius Maximus coin actually has something interesting going on. It has got an MEXC listing happening. So this is a coin that has 600k liquidity, $12.8 million market cap, 3,000 holders. It's a coin that has an MEXC listing happening very soon. Now, this could be something that plays over the next 10 days where we see some positive price action. Maybe it could go up a little bit here because of all the news, the inauguration, the fact that there is an MEXC listing, so obviously they've got some big networking power here, this Trumpius Maximus token, and it could actually potentially do well. So it says the 2025 president of memes in America, Trumpius Maximum, Ox47. Looks kind of cool actually, guys. It could be a play out there, so I will drop this one down below if you think that this is a narrative that could potentially move up. I'm still waiting overall for a pullback from this region here because it pumped quite a lot already. So I want to see a 0.618 fib pullback. If it can come down to like 20 cents, buy alert. I'm probably going to set myself like a buy alert around 20 cents for this coin if we can get it to happen, because I think for me that would show, okay, you know, it's corrected from its all-time high of 34 cents. It's come down about 30 to 40%. If it can hold the floor here, because there's a lot of support written in at this particular region, if it can hold that level, that could be quite attractive. But on the contrary, this thing could also just pump back up because it is very, very volatile. One thing that's interesting is 1st of January, this coin corrected 96%, and since then has made a great recovery from 0.01. It's up 22x. So this is very interesting. Someone is holding a bag very low down that also has probably the potential to rip the charts again. So these are extremely risky plays, and you should not ever risk more than you can afford to lose. This is in fact completely degenerate plays. That's why we've got a channel in my Discord called the Risky Raiders, because these guys are in it because they know they could lose everything. And, you know, I guess as long as you can acknowledge that, that's always important. So yeah, I thought I would talk about this one on the side. We've also got KSEX, guys, I don't know if I told you, but they have now achieved the status of being the lowest exchange in terms of fees in the entire market. Maker, taker on the spot is 0%. Futures, maker, taker is 0% and 0.01%. So the lowest fees. This will help you save money over time. This will help you become a better trader. You can have more funds to trade with and you'll preserve more of your hard-earned money. You can see KSEX have tons of coins. PEPE, they've got memes, they've got everything on this particular exchange. So I love it. For my futures, for my spot trades, definitely consider it. It's globally accessible, KYC free, and the tiniest fees in the market. You can't knock it, guys. So check that out down below if you are keen. And then lastly, we've got Wall Street PEPE, which just went through $40 million raised. Now that is a brave tweet, you know, because some people don't like these flickery lights, and some people maybe just watching this are feeling a bit bothered. So I'm going to flick off of that. So Wall Street PEPE is a new ERC20 meme coin ICO. They raised $40.4 million. One Wall Street PEPE is $0.000366641 right now. And it says trade like Pepe, buy WEPE crypto pre-sale. Wall Street PEPE hates that. Whales are hiding in insider groups, so he decided to make his own. Overall, this is cool. This is creating a big degen community, traders, it's going to be analytics, insights. It's an ERC20 meme coin. And to buy this, effectively, you can use the link down below, and then you can choose either of these 4 wallets to actually get into the token, like MetaMask, Best Wallet, or something like this. Now, these are DeFi wallets. These are your hot wallets that you can use to buy crypto if you wanted to. So not financial advice, of course, but it does look like a good play. We did see Pepe and Chain go wild. We are in a meme coin season and a bull market. So hopefully we can see Wall Street Pepe also reflect big gains like other frog tokens in this particular crypto space. The link will, of course, be right down below there. And guys, I said lastly, but if you really want to lock in for 2025, consider becoming a patron. Because Jacob's Crypto Clan Patreon is one of the largest out there in the crypto space that is helping hundreds of people learn to trade, find those next alphas, find that next big coin, get into pre-sales, whitelistings, stealth launches, nice and early. And we've only got a little bit of space left. So Crypto Legends here, $100 and something a month. Ditch your alcohol, ditch your cigarettes, and you've got yourself a subscription where you could potentially make all that money back anyway in a month. An example of this is the ultra early announcements, what we called SPRM token just a few days ago on the 30th of December. It went up over 3x for people that got in, and some people made thousands out of that particular call. Of course, we can't get everything right, but we try our best, and we've overhauled the service so that it's providing what we believe to be the best service to you guys. Crypto Champion, $60 a month. Or you got Crypto Warrior, $25 per month. And if you're the lowest tier one, no problem, no one's judging, because we understand that people are from all over the world. Crypto Hunter, $11 per month. So we're trying to make it affordable and accessible for everyone. Do check out the Patreon down below, folks. So yeah, to wrap up this video, I think Kekius Maximus is a risky play at the moment. I would not be aping into Kekius Maximus, and I also just don't like that chart. It looks very forged. It kind of looks like, I don't know, the way it's bouncing off support every single time like that. Hard to say where it could go. Of course, then you got that Kekius Maximus, which could be a play, but I also identify as extremely risky, and it has gone up incredibly over the last 24 hours. So I would avoid aping in and wait for any major corrections. And there is an MEXC listing tomorrow, which we do know is true because it's on MEXC, and they tweeted it actually. So this is pretty big as well for the exposure. And then we've got Wall Street PEPE as well, which could be another cool coin to check out. I'll link that one down below. So thanks guys for watching the video. Subscribe if you're new here and you want to hit your crypto goals this bull run, and I'll see you very soon.